Good night. Um, my name is Gissel, and my topic is mechanical fasteners. The definition is a hardware device that mechanical joints are fixes to more objects together. In the industry, is strongly tied to the productions of automobiles, aircraft, appliances, and agricultural machines and commercial constructions and infrastructure. It's important and the general the fasteners are used to create non-permanent joints. Um, the recommendation when choose a fasteners for the application is important to know that application to help select the pioneer material of internet use. These points, the first is uh, accessibility. Accessibility. And the second is an environment. It's very important. The first is installation, the process. Installation, the process. The next one is materials. Materials to be joined. It's important to save the environment is the reusability. And the 100 stations. Okay, this topic is important, the script.